let's dive in and take a look around. I'm going to give you a brief overview of all the different areas and what it can do. There's obviously tutorials and different sort of things that are going to help you get sorted. It's not massively intuitive, and it's probably why a lot of people are watching this video, because it isn't as obvious what it's going to do for your business. So I will be creating a lot more training videos, and then I'll do another introducing video later in the year with a little bit more data, because I've got no data to show you at this point, right? So what we're looking at is lead management, getting leads. You can sync it with your CRMs, you can sync it with other data, working out on your website where people are clicking, what they're coming to, where's the journey, and really focusing on creating your leads, getting your leads in, and then assigning salespeople or following people up, or put them into a newsletter automation to then try and find your leads and then obviously take them to sale, right? So obviously we've got the dashboard where it's going to give you some quick startup things, create a form, create some sync with other engagement platforms, wherever you're getting your leads from, different integrations, different marketing plans, touch points, where are people coming to you, and some help resources. And if you want a demo, you can get a demo from somebody at Zoho. Then we've got lead generation. So these are your lead sources. I'm going to click on these all differently in a section, in the next section. So these are, pop-ups, touch points where people are coming in, lead attribution reports, obviously reports where you're getting them from. Web assistant, so this is tracking your websites, seeing where people are clicking, or creating goals and events on your website to say this is what we want people to click on for it to be a successful visit. Web apps, if you run some sort of web app, you can put this on there as well. I won't go into that on this because I don't think there'll be too many people who've got web apps, but if I'm wrong, tell me. Journeys, we're looking at how is somebody moving around your site, where do they enter, what do you want them to click on for it to be a successful visit, and how we're working that journey out, isn't it? Leads, obviously this is managing your leads. What campaign list are they on? What email list, and syncing it obviously with other services in your Zoho and stuff like that, right? And there's obviously products there as well. Engagement, surveys, events, webinars, e-commerce. Where are you getting people to sign up? What are they signing up for? Once they've signed up for something, are they being added to a certain list? And there's all sorts of other things there. Qualifying your leads, setting scores for certain things that people do. So you want to make your leads, if they've gone to certain places, if they've clicked on certain things, give them a higher score, because you might as well chase the higher scoring leads than people that aren't doing anything, right? Tag the leads, put them in a funnel, stages, and then there's some insights there. Planner, this is scheduling your marketing, and some reports. So I'm going to filter down and go into other things in each section, but I think you can even see from the first walk around, there's a lot of features that it's going to be able to add to your marketing sort of analytics, and being able to dive deeper into who's on your site, who's doing things within your network, where do you want them to go. Make sure somebody reaches out to them or add them to an email campaign to get them to that all-important happiness sale, into it. And then probably aftercare, right?